Introducing one of Edifier's highest end wireless headphones actually. This is the Edifier WH950NB, and yes, it has a lot of features built in. So number one, high-res wireless audio, Google Fast Pair, and then 55 hours of battery life. I don't know why the font looks like it's saying SSH. And then you have wireless noise cancellation, of course, and then all of the usual headphone high-end features. So in today's video, I'm gonna go through all of my experiences after using this headphone for like 2 months actually. So yeah, let's begin. First and foremost, of course, is the unboxing. So the unboxing experience is fairly simple. Everything is packed within this hard shell EVA case. It's not exactly the hardest case that I've seen, but hard enough, I'd say. So once we unzip this, we have the headphone itself. I'll just leave it aside here, and then here we have all of the accessories that I included. And yeah, don't mind this piece of thing. It's a partition foam thing. Anyway, we got the USB Type-C cable for charging the headphone, and then right angle audio jack so you can plug into your phone, laptops or whatever. And then this is an airplane jack, so you can, I don't know, the flight entertainment system, they're gonna use this kind of double barrel jack, so this is a converter for those jacks. User manual and some warranty guide, I suppose. Yeah, nothing much here. So we'll take a look at the headphone itself. Now the build quality of this headphone is surprisingly good, I would say. Also very lightweight for that matter. The ear cups, they do spin backwards like this, so you can rest it on your shoulders. And then adjustable head strap here. Too bad there's no graduation, so you cannot see what level you're gonna use each time. And each time if you want to put it back inside this case, you will have to fully collapse it. Yeah, overall very minimalist design, and this is of course a plastic material, but it has the leather texture on it. This is a smooth piece of plastic, and then here I suppose it's PU leather for the ear cups, and I'm not sure if this can be taken out to swap it out for later. From what I have tested, you cannot swap it, so you have to be careful with this material here. So on the left ear cup, we do have a microphone here, and then the audio jack here. For the right ear cup is where all the controls are found. So we have the USB Type-C for charging, indicator LED, and then another microphone. This is the mode button, so you can cycle through ANC, hear through mode, not hear through mode, ambient mode, and then all of the fancy modes turn off. Then here we have the volume keys, including one middle button here for playing and pausing the music. And overall, fairly simple in terms of build, but that's not all. So let's turn this on. I have paired it with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and here if we head into the Edifier Connect app, so now you can see in the app here we have a few more features to play around with. So high noise cancellation, low noise cancellation, wind reduction. I am not sure how this works because the places that I've been to is not really that windy. And then we can also turn on ambient sound or turn everything off for that matter. And then if we swipe here, we can set our own EQ if we want to, but usually I'll just use it in classic mode anyway. And then we can turn on either music mode, game mode or theater mode. I usually just leave it all in default music mode. And overall features, as you can see here, you have a bit more in this settings menu. So you can rename the headphone if you want to, user manual, control settings. Yeah, you can select what kind of modes that you want to cycle through, then double press mode to cycle through all of your music mode and whatnot, and then press and hold for voice assistance. Pretty simple, I would say. And if you want high-res audio, then you have to enable LDAC, so we can just select sampling rate of up to 96 kHz, and then it will turn off the dual mode connection as what you can see just now. So you have to keep that in mind. And then from here, we can also, just now we already disabled the dual device connection. So once you disable this, you can enable LDAC. You have to keep that in mind. It's either one or the other. Prompt volume is when you press all of the buttons and whatnot, it will tell you ANC turn on, high noise cancellation, low noise cancellation, all of those stuff. I usually just keep it in volume 3. Safe volume is for you to protect your own ears so you wouldn't go too loud and then hurt yourself or give yourself a jump scare or something like that. And then power off, you just turn off the headphone from the app itself. Shutdown timer, again, just a timer. And Bluetooth settings, you can do these two. No idea why you want to do it on the app because the button can already do that for you, this power button here. And factory settings, if you want to factory reset the headphone for whatever reason. So that's about it. I would say pretty simple in terms of the app functionality. And here you go, the EQ if you want to customize it yourself. And overall, the app serves its purpose, but there is also one more widget that you can put on your home screen. This is that widget. Yeah, it's just lots of buttons placed in a rectangle. It works in a way, but it's just not that clean of a design. So yeah, you can use it if you want to. I ended up putting it on my home screen, but I never really use it that much. Okay, sound quality test then. So to wear the headphone, it's very simple. And I did realize one thing while I was riding a train using this pair of headphones. The leather cushion on the ear cups is kind of hot and it will cause my ears to sweat instantly. But that was also during an extremely sunny day, so that might be another factor in play. And the seal around the ear for this leather cushion is actually quite good, I would say. The ANC managed to cut off a lot of noise in the train. Only certain high-pitched noise managed to get through, but that's fine, I would say. You have to remember to enable LDAC inside the settings menu. Tap it. And there you go, high quality audio in use. So now if we jump back into this app, then we can see my music is playing in LDAC mode, 32-bit, 96 kHz. That is exactly what I was hoping to get. Overall sound quality, I would say it's very well balanced in a way, even though it is a bit bassier than I would like, but again, custom EQ, you can customize that if you want to. ANC is excellent on this pair of headphones, but if you're gonna use the ambient sound, then everything sounds a bit weird, but that is to be expected in terms of ambient mode because it has to go through a single filter. I can hear that horn, but it's very muted. And that is without turning on any noise cancellation actually. Now it's in high noise cancellation. I really can't even hear myself speaking actually. So I don't know how loud I'm speaking or how soft I'm speaking. So it might come out as weird, but I'm truly just enjoying my music here. And of course, we have to do the microphone test as well. Of course, we're using the WH950NB to record the audio off of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Do let me know how it sounds, and overall, I would say this headphone is actually quite amazing. Oh, I also wore this headphone during a night of intense fireworks when they carpet bombed the sky, and it actually fares pretty well. It managed to cut off a lot of the fireworks, especially the shoo noise, but the blasting, popping noise when it's in the sky, I can still hear a tad bit of it, but that's okay, I would say. It's a lot more manageable than having constant firework sounds into my ear. So this headphone will be priced at around 1,000 ringgit if I remember correctly. From the last time I saw it, it was at 1,000. And as you can see here, even I wore it for a while just now, there is some sweat forming up on the leather ear cups already. So yeah, you will need some really cool environment to use this headphone properly. Else it will just make you sweat a lot. So that's it. This is a pair of high-end wireless headphones. I like it, and I'm gonna use it with the MacBook Pro. Actually, speaking of that, editing videos using this pair of headphones on the MacBook Pro, there is some audio delay, but overall, I can get around it. I would say it's not that major, even though I can notice it, but it depends on how tolerable you are in terms of audio delay. So that's it. I'll leave you links on where to buy this headphone down in the description below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.